All right, this is a question that's pretty similar to your quiz, and some of you have nailed it, and some of you are still struggling with it, so we'll go ahead and look at it. We know that the diameter of the cylinder is 6 of the whole thing, so that means that the radius is 3. That's important because this is a hemisphere up here. So this, which a lot of students kind of didn't really recognize, is also 3, because the radius of the cylinder of the sphere has to be the same. It says the height of the cylinder is 10. So far, out of our 17, we have 13 here, which would mean our remaining part would have to be 4. Once you get through that, it's a matter of just making sure that you've identified everything. So for the total surface area, we have 3 surfaces. We have this part out here, which is going to be pi RL, this being L. So for that part there, we get, pi RL, 15 pi. For this part here, remember that's our nice little rectangle, which is the circumference. Unrolled gives us that. The circumference is 6 pi, and the height is 10. So again, 2 pi RH, totally different. Again, that's just the circumference times the height, which is 60 pi. And then we need half of a sphere, so a hemisphere, which is 1/2 of 4 pi r squared. And r is 3. So we have, this would give us a nice little 2. This would give us a 9, so 18 pi. So if I add 18 plus 60 plus, 18 plus 60 plus 15, I get 93 pi for the total surface area. And again, you really just have to identify every single surface and then add them all up together. For the volume, it's pretty much the same thing. We have a hemisphere up there, which is half of 4/3 pi r cubed, plus area of the base times the height, which is pi r squared times height, plus 1/3 of the pi r squared times the height. Obviously, we have a lot of different heights and things like that going on. Our r is obviously 3. Our height is 4 in this case. So you need to simplify all that. Here, again, our r is 3. Our height is 10 in this case. And here, we have our r is 3. So that would be 27. And so as long as you simplify them all correctly and add them all up together, you should get the right answer.